Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we're going to show you the progress assembly of the WH-STOCAB. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Let's go ahead with step number 1. For step 1, we need parts C, B, D, part 1 and part 3, which is the screw, and just the key which comes in the box just to tighten it up. So let's go ahead and start step 1. Where for C, as you see, this is the legs part, so this will be the bottom, and like that. And as you see, there is inserts here. For step 1, this is for the big holes here, 1 and 2. This is for the self-tapping screws. Alright, let's go ahead. You can see for the window inserts for part 1. We're going to use the screws. There you go. You see that's take 3. He's going to use it, our fingers just to tighten them just a bit. Then you're going to use the Allen key just to tighten up. When tightening, just don't tighten too tight as you can damage the board. So just tighten until it's flush. Alright, we're going to repeat the same steps for the opposite side. Step number 2, we require this board here, part E, which will just be slipped into this gap here. You see there is a channel here. So just go easy. Should be just easy, just slide it. This one, you should slide into the back here. Right, moving on to step number 3, we'll require certain parts, which is part D, part 1, which is the wooden standoffs, and the screws, which is part 3, and an Allen key. So firstly, we're going to install the wooden standoffs, be easier. So as you see here, these are the holes we're using, lining up like this, and this is a channel also for the bottom. You see it's right here, so let's go again. So it's the bigger holes. Right, and as you see, the wooden standoffs will fit in the bigger holes here. Right. Let's go ahead and install part number 3, which is basically 6 of the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step number 4, we will require our previous spoiled part, also parts 165, which is the screws, 164, and lastly 162. So let's go ahead and start building 162. Right, so basically these are the hinges. So basically it's gonna fit like this. It's just like that. So we use 164 and cap goes on the back. Second screw, cap. Take two of our 165 screws and place them on top here. This is good, locking in place. So we're going to do the exact same steps for the other side. Alright, to continue the rest of the step, we are going to attach the top. If you don't have an extra person to help you, easiest way, lay the product on the floor and let's see, take the top, place it just like this. You see, these are the holes here for the screws, for 165 screws. You see, it will match up. As you see, there is spiders holes here. We are going to do the exact same steps on the other side. For step number 5, we need 2 of 1/16 parts and also 1/65 screws, alright, and a Phillips screwdriver. So let's go ahead and begin with this. So basically, you'll see here, these are adjustable. These are also adjustable, but this is a bit fixed. So the fixed part, place it at the bottom. Alright. So let's start with that first. Alright, so let's move on to the top piece. Alright, as you see, we're going to follow the exact same steps for the other side. Move on to step number 6. Step number 6, you're going to be using parts 161. This is basically, you're going to be sticking them onto the top to prevent any damages to the boards here on the top. It's just silicone. step number 7, we're going to be using part number 72. This is basically you're going to be covering up for the holes for all the screws here. Yeah. So I need 6 aside. Thank you for watching the progress journey of our WH-STOCAB. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to visit more product series and more of our products. Thank you.